Sport. Sport is a big part of life. It means moving our body. It means playing, running, walking, or swimming. When I do sports, I feel happy, I feel strong, I feel alive. That is why I love doing sports. Every morning I wake up and stretch my body. I take a deep breath. Sometimes I go for a short walk. Sometimes I do a simple exercise in my room. Moving my body helps me feel good. I smile more. I think better. I have more energy for the day. Sport is good for the body. It helps the heart. It makes our muscles stronger. When I walk, run, or jump, I can feel my body getting better. I can breathe better. I feel light and active. I get tired less. Even if I am busy, I try to move a little each day. Sport is also good for the mind. Sometimes I feel sad or worried. When I do sports, my mind becomes calm. I forget my problems for a while. After exercise, I feel relaxed and peaceful. Sport helps me think clearly and stay focused. In the park near my house, I see many people doing sports. Some people run, some ride bikes, some play football or basketball. Children play and laugh. Old people walk slowly and enjoy the air. Everyone moves in their own way. It is nice to see. I enjoy many types of sports. I like walking in the park. I like riding a bike. I sometimes play football with my friends. I also like dancing to music. Dancing is fun and easy. It is also good for my health. I can do it at home anytime. Sometimes I go to the countryside with my family. We walk up small hills and take pictures. The air is clean. The sky is big. We laugh and talk. These are happy moments. Sport brings people together. We feel close when we move together. Sport also helps me sleep better. After doing sports, my body is tired in a good way. I can sleep fast and deep. I wake up fresh and ready for a new day. When I don't move much, I sleep late and feel tired in the morning. Doctors say sport is important. We should move every day. Even 20 minutes is good. We do not need a gym or a special clothes. Just walking, stretching, or playing is enough. The most important thing is to keep moving. Sport helps us eat better too. When I move, I feel hungry, but not for junk food. I want water, fruit, eggs, or rice. My body asks for good food. That is another way sport helps us stay healthy. Sport can also help us meet new people. Team sports are good for this. When we play football or volleyball, we work together. We help each other. We win and lose together. This builds friendship and trust. Everyone can do sports, young or old, strong or weak. There is a sport for every person. Even people who are sick or tired can move a little. Just a little each day can make a big change. I try to take care of my body with sports. I don't need to be the best. I just want to feel good and be healthy. I tell my friends to do sports too. We can all help each other to move more and sit less. A sport is a gift. It helps our body, our mind, and our life. I'm thankful for a sport. It gives me joy, peace, and energy. I hope more people enjoy it like I do. So next time you feel tired, go for a short walk. Stretch your arms, dance a little, play with your friends, move your body. You will feel better, trust me. A sport is simple, a sport is fun, a sport is life.